How to log out of WhatsApp business account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your WhatsApp business account. So how do you log out? It is simple. The first step is to log in, okay? Launch your WhatsApp business account. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen, click on the three vertical dots that you can see there. But before then, ensure that you're on the chat page. You're not on the calls page or the updates because the three dots for each page differs. All right, the function for each page differs. So ensure you're on the chat page. Then move to the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots that you can see there. In the drop down menu that appears, scroll down to the last part and then click on settings. So on the settings page, you can see a number of options here like business tools, account, privacy, etc. So head over to your account and click on it. Once you're on the accounts page, you can see options like security notifications, passkeys, email address, etc. You would notice that on this page, you cannot see anything like login, logout, right? This is because you cannot um log out of your WhatsApp business account just like that. You can only change your number. So by changing your number, you would log out of the current account and then you would have to log in into another account. All right. So you can just click on change number and then you will take it to the next page. So click on next and yeah, you enter with the new phone number that you want to use to create a new account on Master Business. So after entering the new phone number, click on next, follow the procedures, and then once the account has been created, you'll be logged out of your current WhatsApp business account and then you'll be logged in into the new WhatsApp business account that you've created with the new number. So that is it, okay? There is no shortcut to it. That is the only way if you do not want to delete your WhatsApp business account. So I hope this has helped. Thank you for watching and have a good day.